going to make some house shoes, and for that I'm using pattern 3. You can find the patterns in the info box below. And here I'm just cutting out the parts that I need. I need the ears in white and the piece for the foot itself in white too, and here I'm cutting out 2 inner ears in pink. I'm placing the inner ears on top of the white ears, and I'm just pushing him down in the white clay slightly. Then I use a tiny bit of black clay and I'm rolling out a tiny ball, and I am going to cut the ball in half, and this is going to be the eyes for my rabbit. Then I take some pink for the nose, and I am forming a little triangle for the nose piece. I have some white clay that I rolled out on a setting 1 on the pasta machine, and from that I cut out the sole for these shoes. And remember, you need to have for 2 shoes from all of the things. Then I take this white thing, and I'm really sorry that I'm off camera here, but I am going to put it around the front of the foot and put it together at the heel of it. I molded in the white clay under the foot and put on the sole, and here I am connecting the 2 parts so it will sit and look really nice when it's all done. And my sole was a tiny bit too big, so I cut off a little so that it fits perfect. Then I take the ears and I squeeze them slightly at the middle and place them where I want them here on the shoes. And I make one ear bend a little forward, but you can do it just like you feel like. Placing the eyes and the little nose, and then these shoes are ready for baking. So go bake your shoes. I baked my shoes, and now I'm putting some glue inside the ear here, and I'm using some pink flock to put in there so it looks really neat. When that has dried and I have got rid of the extra flock, I am doing the same around the white part of the rabbit, just with white flock. And remember, behind the ears and in all the small crevices, so it really looks nice when you're all done. I collect my rest flock on a piece of paper and put it back into my container, so this way I'm not losing anything. When they're dry, I take some white acrylic paint and make a tiny dot on the eyes, and then I'm giving it a tiny bit of glaze, and that's all there is to it. Happy crafting!